Hello, everyone. It is Friday. Oh my gosh, so pumped. It's Friday before fall break. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching this video. Let's go over today's Bellringer questions. So, in class today, we are working on order of operations without exponents. So, today you're going to get a little bit of choice. You can finish these Bellringers and then move on to IXL when it's over. Or you can read this and answer the questions here about reviewing plotting points in Quadrant 1. The choice is yours, 100% IXL, or finish this assignment on this notebook. So let's talk about how that's going to work here in just a minute. First, let's go over your Bellringers. So 6 plus 8 times 5. Order of operations say I have to do the most powerful operation first. So that is what we're working on in class. Now, I'm writing something down. Some of you use PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I don't love it. In fact, I like GEMS. Now, GEMS and PEMDAS are the same thing. Parentheses, and the G stands for grouping symbols. We're not really going to focus on parentheses or grouping symbols. We'll get in that later on. We're not focused on exponents. What we're focused on is multiply or divide, subtract or add. Here, the reason I don't like it as well is because it looks like multiplication is more powerful than division. They are equal in power. So you have to follow the order of operations. So we would multiply before we add. Adding is a weaker operation. So 8 times 5 is to be done first. So notice you hold the structure of your problem. 6 plus 8 times 5 is 40. Then you add that together and you get 46. Some of you do a tornado. I like to do a gem. It's the same thing. So you put those in order. The next one says put those in order from least to greatest. So you have negative 81. Then you have negative 5. Then you have positive 20. And the largest on the list is 87. And then I love this next question. Prime numbers make great passwords. They're really hard to crack. They're really hard to break. And a lot of coders use those for security purposes. So this is just for fun. Create a 6 to 12 digit password that contains at least 3 prime numbers. And so I used a phrase in there and a word. So I did 29 math 3% 17. That would be really hard for somebody to guess that, and it's not my password, so don't try to use it on my accounts or whatever. I should make it like something like that, but it's not. But anyway, 29 is prime, 3 is prime, and 17 is prime. So that makes a very strong password because it's hard to crack. So that's my example. I can't wait to see your examples. 3 prime numbers and maybe a word or a phrase in there. So think about that as you are working on today's Bellringer questions. Now here comes the choice option. So you're going to type in your password. If you are choosing to do IXL, then you are going to click, add a text box. So you do text box, and over here, you're going to write the letters IXL, and then you're finished. If you choose to do this assignment, then you're done. You're going to do this assignment. And it's just reviewing. You can do both. I know there's some of you out there who want to do both. You can do both. If you're choosing to do this assignment, there are some pages that you can read on slide 3 that remind you that you have to walk to the elevator before you can go up. And it's all in Quadrant 1. So you walk to the ladder before you can go up the ladder. Some teachers use you have to walk to the elevator before you can go up the elevator. So let's go on slide 4. On slide 4, notice the coordinate where I want the heart is located 2, 3. That means you start at the origin, or 0, 0. You walk over 2 and then go up 3 and place your heart. To place the orange square, so you're going to take this orange square, click on it, and now we're going to move it, and we're going to move it down to 5, 1. That means that we're going to start here at the origin, go over 5 and up 1. And notice it makes a little arrowy thing when you're on there correctly. So 5, 1. All right, let's do one more. You're going to do 8, 5. So I'm going to take my little blue circle here, and you're going to go over 8, and up 5. The first number tells you how to move to the right. The second number tells you how to move up. We only have right and up movements on this assignment because it's only dealing with quadrant 1. All right. Now, this one on the next slide wants to know what are the coordinates of the heart, the orange square, the yellow rectangle, and the gray cloud and the pink smiley. So you take your heart. You're going to put parentheses, and you're going to find the blue heart. So to get there, you go over, and the line looks like it's lined up there. So it would be 2, comma, and then you go up 4. Right 2, up 4. Let's do the orange square. How does it get to the orange square? That isn't really an orange rectangle. Just saying. Oh, no, just kidding. Orange square. I see it now. My bad. Orange square means to go up over 8. So you go to the right 8, and you go up 9. So you do 8, comma 9. Close your parentheses. I do want to see parentheses in there, and I would like to see it separated with a comma, so that way that tells you the correct order. These are called ordered pairs, so order does matter. So you're more than welcome to get on IXL and practice or complete today's activity. The choice is yours, or do both. All right. Have a blessed day. I hope to see you soon. Have a fabulous fall break. And I hope to see all of your faces back here back in school on Monday. The whatever date that is. All right. Have a great fall break. I'll see you soon.